Hello everyone, this is Mr. E, your STEM OG. Hello everyone, this is Mr. E, your STEM OG, and a lovely day in Shenzhen, China. Also, a beautiful day to learn some STEM. Get started with STEM. Lesson 2, Arduino plus the LED. Go ahead and get started with that, because I'm going to add a little juice to my e-bike. Mr. E, your STEM OG, Shenzhen, China. Get started with STEM. And remember, think big. Start small. Hello, parents, teachers, and mentors. This is Mr. E, your STEM OG in Shenzhen, China. And guess what? It's time to get started learning STEM. Lesson 2, LED and the Arduino Uno. Today's essential question is, how do we control an LED with an Arduino? We just want to make that light flash. All right, there's 4 parts to this lesson, and every lesson, what you need, the code, how to build it, and what it looks like when it's successful and uploads. All right, so what do you need in this lesson? You'll need an Arduino Uno, Arduino IDE for your computer. Hopefully you looked at lesson 1 to see how to do that. An LED, a 220 ohm resistor, wires, a breadboard, and a sketch. And don't worry, if you go to www.github.com/mystemteacher, you can scroll down and look for Arduino lesson 2, and everything you need is there. All right, let's look at the code. Now, I want to show you code first, and I want to show you how it connects to the actual project. So just in general, all sketches, all codes in Arduino or in Arduino IDE have 3 parts. The first part is at the top, and it's where we include libraries, define constants, and declare global variables. The second section, the setup section, executes only once, and that's where we initialize variables, start using libraries, so on and so forth. This project is so simple. We don't have any libraries or anything like that. And the third section is the loop section. As the name implies, it loops repeatedly. It runs the main application. Okay, so let's look at our project. Again, very simple. Just 1 pin on the Arduino. I'm sorry, 2, if you count the ground pin. 1 pin on the Arduino is going to send out a signal. That's pin number 13. So here we have to define that as LED pin. So now Arduino knows pin number 13, we're calling it LED pin. Right? And then here in the setup section, we say, oh, that LED pin is an output pin. So pin mode will configure the pin as input or output. Now we're in the void loop section. We're going to run this repeatedly. So what we're going to do is we've said, hey, pin number 13, LED pin output. Well, now we're going to write to that pin a high. Light comes on, wait a second, write to that pin low, light goes off, wait a second, repeat. All right, that's the code. So now it's time to build our project.
In an LED, the longer lead is typically the blank. Which function is used to write a high or low value to a digital pin? The positive terminal of an LED is called the blank. Which Arduino board is commonly used for beginners? A resistor is used in series with an LED to limit the blank flowing through the LED. The blank function is executed repeatedly in an Arduino program. The blank function is executed only once at the beginning of an Arduino program. The most commonly used Arduino board is blank. To control the brightness of an LED using Arduino, and blank can be used in series with the LED. The blank pin in an Arduino board is typically used as a reference ground. Blank is a function used to set a digital pin as an input or output pin.